Over 40s natural glowy makeup tutorial coming your way. This is the look I'm going to teach you, but before I teach you it, let me take this off so you can see what I look like makeup free and we can start the look together. I needed that makeup. Right, you wait until you see what I've used. Minimal products, maximum effect. Do we want to learn how to make this look? I think so. Join me. So let's start off by super boosting our SPF. So hopefully you're wearing an SPF every day. I'm using this one. And if you want to see anything that I'm using, I will put the link below. Now, I'm going to put on this much on my face. And then I'm going to add in this, which is Cosmic Glow. Basically gives you an instant glow. So I will put in 1 pump of Cosmic Glow, like that, you see? And then I will mix it all together. Now mix it all together in the palm of my hand, and then I will apply it. And you'll see that when I mix Cosmic Glow with my SPF, if you don't wear an SPF, you can just do it with your day cream. You will see, and I always apply it under my eyes and over my lids as well. Down my neck. You will see it creates, I mean, excuse my dark circles, but it does create the most glowy look to your complexion. So that's what I do first of all. And then I don't want to do a full face of foundation. So I will get a concealer. This one is beautiful. It's a lovely medium coverage. It looks super natural. And I will look at my face and think, okay, I've got a really nice glow. All I want to do is now enhance my complexion. So to do that, I take this concealer and I will dab it where I feel I need it most, which is the corners, inner corners of the eyes, around the nostril. And then I don't really need too much on my chin, but I will always put a little bit on my chin, a little bit on my forehead, because I want it all to blend together in a way that looks natural. So I'll then get my ring fingers and I will pat the concealer in. Now by patting the concealer in and not wiping, you're going to get a lot more coverage where you need it, so the inner corners of the eyes. And then the area where you need it least, which might be around here, you can feather out. So pat here, feather out here. You see? And then do the same on this side. So if don't look at you when I do this, I'm doing my makeup in the phone. Around my nostrils, because we get a bit of redness here. And you can blend out to here, because we sometimes get some redness on our cheeks here. My chin. Now, even if you don't have like any redness on your chin, I always like to put concealer here and here on my forehead, because it just blends in the look of the concealer. So it kind of gives the look of almost like a full face of foundation really, but without wearing a full face of foundation. And then I think, oh, I might just want to put a little bit more on my under eye. So I'll put another layer. Again, I'll pat in. And sometimes when you do this, you'll look at your concealer and think, oh, it's not going anywhere. But if you keep patting in, it will melt with the warmth of your finger and it will all go in beautifully. And then I'm not going to put any of the concealer on my eyelid, because I'm going to leave that free. But what I am going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of the leftover concealer on my finger here, on my brow bone, there and there. And what that will do is, in a moment, I'm going to show you how I put a little bit of the Cosmic Glow on my eyelids, because this is so pretty, look. La 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 la. Put a little bit on my eyelids because I want my eyes to look natural, but I want them to have like a really pretty glow. So as I move throughout the day, my eyes will just twinkle, but without looking glittery or shimmery, they'll just look really glowy. Now, how glowy does that look? It looks lovely. Now, oh, you've got to stay tuned because I want to show you how I make this into a really lovely glowy blush as well. So if you think, oh, I like that, but I want a bit more glow, then you can put a little bit of the Cosmic Glow on the back of your hand, like that. And then you can just tap over the top of your cheekbones like that. That gives more of a glow. So let's do that. Wow, that looks really, really nice. Okay, so I've got my glowy, youthful, boosty skin. Actually, I might just put a bit more concealer on my forehead there. Just there. And then if you always just use the center of your forehead and then blend out, it kind of just perfects the look of your forehead without doing a full face of foundation. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is, if you like a glowy look to your makeup, I'm going to say try using a serum-y balm. Now this one is kind of makeup meets skincare, so it's a lovely balm, but it has serum-like qualities in it. And when you make your lips look glossy, like this isn't a gloss, it's a balm, but it has serum in it, so it looks glossy. It adds to the whole glossiness of your face. Because if I was to put a matte lipstick on, that would still look really nice, but adding the gloss, the serum-y, balmy gloss, with the glow on my face, it just elevates your skin. It makes you look like you've got the best skin. Then I'm going to, you don't have to do this. I got a bit of my teeth here. You don't have to do this, but I like to get a lip line, which is kind of like a brownie pink shade. Suits everyone. Now I'm going to look in the mirror and I'm going to line my lips. And sometimes when, you know, you hear people think, oh, I thought you could line your lips before lipstick. Well, you can do, but sometimes it's easier to line your lip after you've done your lipstick. And what this does, it just makes your lips look a little bit fuller, still keeping them looking really natural. Like that. There you go. So the next thing I'm going to do is I want to play up my eyes just a little bit. And if you've never used a bronzed liner before, this one is just stunning. So I don't know if you can see, but it's got a really beautiful, I mean, you can see the Cosmic Glow on my hand as well, but look, it's got like a really soft sheen to it. And I like to use my pinky finger as a stabilizer. And then I'm just going to draw a line right across my eyelid. And I don't worry that it's not a perfect line, because once I've drawn a line, I then thicken the line. So I'm going to make it like, you know, maybe 1/2 centimetre thick, like that. I take my pinky finger and I smudge it into my eyelid. And the good thing with this is that once this is dry, it sets for the day. And then I'm just going to wing out a little bit here to give a subtle wing. Can you see? Do the other eye. Again, just look what I'm doing. I'm lining right across my eye. I'm not worrying about perfection. I'm then going back over the line and making it slightly thicker. Taking my pinky finger, smudging it into my lid so it just looks like a wash of colour. And then I'm taking the corner out here, moving it with my finger, like so. And then if I want to, I'm going to put a little bit more on this side actually. There you go. Really subtle. And then I'm going to line the upper waterline by going up into my lash line, like so. And you can see it just creates a bit more depth to the lashes. And then I'm going to go a little bit under with the bronze. Now, because this is such a soft colour, you can take it under your lash line and it not look too harsh. So I put it here, I put it here, and then I smudge. Look in the mirror. And what I love about this bronze colour is it's so natural. It doesn't look like I've got loads of liner on. I'm going to put a little bit more concealer on because now I've done my liner, I'm like, oh, I just need a bit more coverage. And that's something when you're doing your makeup at home is to, you know, it's a process makeup, you know, as you're doing it, you think, I could actually take a little bit more coverage there. And the great thing is, if you're adding a few more layers as you're doing your makeup, the more thin layers of makeup you do, the longer your makeup lasts throughout the day. And that's better. Just needs to brighten my eyes a little bit. And you can see how natural my eyes are looking around there. And then I'm going to take this mascara, which is really pretty because it gives really lovely lashes. That's smudge-free, which is great because if you've got a glowy look to your face, the last thing you want is to have mascara transfer. And when I'm applying my mascara, I kind of start at the base and do quick little strokes like that, and then I will lift up to the tips. Okay, I need to look in the mirror to do the lower lash, like so. And then when I really want to get a definition, I will take the wand and I will almost close my eyes onto it in a way that I'm almost blinking onto the wand, like this. And sometimes I'll do like 2 coats, and then sometimes I might be like, oh, I'm going to go a little bit more and put 3 coats on. But the great thing with this mascara is you can really build up how much you want, whether you want it natural looking or whether you want it quite eye-opening like this. I think that looks quite cute. And then what I like to do is I like to get my Serum balm here, and I like to put it on the back of my hand. So I wind it up, put it on the back of my hand, like so. Then I take just a touch of my Cosmic Glow, tiny bit like that, massage it all in, and I make myself a glowy blush. Look at this. Look, how pretty is that? And it looks really natural, and it's feels so lovely. And the great thing about Cosmic Glow is that as you wear it, it's adding peptides and plant stem cells onto your skin. It's helping your skin produce more collagen as you wear it. You might look at this and think, oh, well, I like that glow, but I might want to mattify parts of my face, which you can do, and that's really easy. So let me show you how to do that. Once you've created your glow, you could then take a little translucent powder and just powder areas that you might not want so much glow. But I think I quite like it all over. Take a touch of Cosmic Glow here, and then I like to, tiny bit like that on my finger, like there. I like to just dab it onto my Cupid's bow and then into the middle of my lips. Just add an extra glow. What do we think? Has this met the brief? Over 40s glowy natural look makeup? I hope so. If you want to see what I've used, then click the link below. And if you want my expert makeup artistry tips, then comment beauty secrets and I will send you my free 7-day makeup course where I deliver you 1 lesson a day, and I show you everything from covering dark circles the professional way to doing your brows to skincare. It's all there. Just comment beauty secrets and we'll send it to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in another tutorial. Bye.